Hello YouTube, it's me, your mad white Jamaican friend. I have an apology to make. It's not going to be easy for me to say this because I'm not really speaking in patois. I've had you all for a loop the whole time. I'm not Jamaican, I'm a paid English actor. I thought it would be fun to make a crack at being a Jamaican comedian for a while because I had no success in England and everybody's had my back. Oh my god. You know, I read the comments, I get the emails, all the love that Jamaica showed me. It's like a family I've never had. I'm a fake. I am a phony. I am the lowest of the low. I never meant for it to be like this. YouTube offered me a great opportunity and I couldn't turn away from it. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for every Jamaican that sat there and fell in love with my videos. I'm not really Jamaican.
I don't know what it is that you want to me, but it's probably that I'm so crazy
I know some of you sitting back there thinking, oh yes, I knew it, I knew that bastard was faking it. You believe that? Some of you fools actually sat down there and you said, you know what? He isn't Jamaican. George, would you like to bring some teas and crumpets? Would you like me to share my teas and crumpets with you? I've been working on my George Bush impersonation. You ready for this one? America, Americans, we need to come get it. We need to come get it. Because there's a lot of evil stuff going out there. I'm actually Arnold Schwarzenegger. I've been working out. Look at these muscles. Can you see that? I don't know if you see that. That's the muscles. I've lost my mind. Why do you guys find me so entertaining? I find myself crazy. I've been drinking all my creatine. I replace this all with creatine. I want to palm you out.